Small beads, also known as microbeads, which may seem insignificant, actually have big impacts on the environment. According to the Daily Mail, around 5.25 million pieces of plastic are present in the ocean, of which 92% are microbeads.
A single microbead may not seem like much, but just imagine 1,000 of them clumped together. When they end in any global waterways, they result of harming the environment and the ecosystem. Around 8 million US tons of plastic enter the ocean every year, which is equivalent to approximately 7 billion kilograms.
Microbeads all eventually end in the drain, which then leads to the ocean one way or the other. In the ocean, many fish and marine creatures mistake these small pieces of toxic plastic as food. These beads can have a very adverse effect on both the creatures and the entire ecosystem where they live.
We are polluting our oceans with our man-made poison. As many of these fish consume these harmful beads, they are caught by fishermen, which are sold to restaurants or markets where we buy them. The fishes are cooked and they end up on our dinner plates as sushi, seafood, and more. Not only are the beads toxic to the marine life, but they also consist of chemicals which may affect humans as well. Fishes like planktons consume these plastics and lie at the bottom of the food chain. Due to consumption of microbeads by creatures such as planktons, it ends life of many marine animals with unneeded plastic chemicals in them. Since planktons are at the bottom of the food chain with many other delicate organisms, if they all consume microbeads, they will eventually die and there won't be enough food for larger creatures that rely on them.
If something on the food chain becomes extinct, it will lead to disruption in the ecosystems.
Companies such as Olay, Neutrogena, L'Oreal, Colgate, Clean and Clear, and many more spread and globalize as your company expands. More products are being made and millions of plastic beads are used as well as consumed.
Companies are shipping and interacting globally, which means products are appearing in many stores such as drugstores around the world. These companies also have made sites where consumers can explore their creations as well as ordering them. These sites open to many advantages of reaching the consumers.
As most companies continue to manufacture these harmful microscopic plastic debris, the banning of microplastic continues to spread worldwide. According to CNN News, the microbeads are to be banned from the USA by 2017. Obama signed a bill prohibiting all microbeads as an ingredient in our products on December 2015.
The bill is set to protect our environment, especially the ocean and any global waterways. By 2017, there should be no products with microplastic as an ingredient and no selling of products with microbeads. In the past, many countries or states started a campaign and acts that involve microbead-free environment.
An example of one of the campaigns was located in Hong Kong, where the specific group encouraged people to stop polluting the ocean with plastic. Microbeads was one of the plastic that was mentioned, as they suggested ways to avoid buying products with microplastic.
This campaign touched hearts of companies such as Sasa. In 2012, Sasa contributed to the cause as they stated that their companies recognizes the importance of healthy and sustainable environment.
According to the document, they strive to protect our environment. In 2016, this year, they posted another document about their ideas of microbeads. By December 31st, 2018, there shall be no use of microplastic in private labels. And as for non-private labels, there will be discussing and evaluating to banning the ingredient.
Some companies are willing to stop using microbeads. Companies such as L'Oreal, Boots, and Avon along with many others.
Despite this, a large majority of companies still incorporate microplastic into their products. Raising awareness is a huge idea to prevent microbeads uses. If people can be aware of these harmful effects that these small pieces of plastic have, then the banning of microplastic will increase even more and more companies will soon give up using the ingredient.
If the product does not state whether it contains microbeads, there are always ways to find out, such as checking the ingredients list. By checking the list, you can make sure it does not contain polyethylene, a plastic that is contained in microbeads and is used worldwide for all different kinds of plastic.
In the beauty industry, there are more ways to use products with exfoliating factors. Not all scrubbing products use microbeads, but some companies use natural alternatives such as apricot shells, coca beans, jojoba beads, and more.